2025,
Hmm.
their opportunity for new people in the Salesforce ecosystem.
Absolutely. I think that there is space for everybody, and I feel like my story is proof of that I came into this ecosystem and it felt very well established. And there's all these incredible people that are doing incredible things in this space, but there's still room for me too. I'm a Slack community group leader. I'm on the steering committee for the Boston Salesforce admin group. Things that I never thought would happen, but I got asked to do them. I didn't ask to do it. They reached out to me because I was so active in the community. And I think that just showing up is enough. Just go to the events and put yourself out there and make those connections, and people will remember you.
Wow. Okay. Excellent. I think you're right. Just showing up is enough. I think your story is, like you said, your story, it's not nuance. It's what happens when you show up and you focus and you say, I don't want to do this, I'm doing this. And there's a difference in that mindset.